How to check Walmart Mastercard statement. Since Walmart Mastercard is issued by Capital One, you can access your statements online. Just log into the Capital One website with your account details. Once inside, click on Statements and Documents, where you can view, download, or print your monthly statement. It's a great way to track purchases, payments, and interest charges. You can also use the Capital One mobile app. Open the app, log in, and tap on your Walmart Mastercard account. From there, select Statements to view your past and current statements. The app even lets you save them as PDFs for your records. If you prefer a physical copy, Capital One still mails paper statements monthly unless you've switched to paperless. You can also call the number on the back of your Walmart Mastercard and request a mailed statement or help with recent transactions. Thanks for watching.